Wait, should we shut the door so there's no noises?
Okay.
You were really about to, like, you're mid-breath. Based on that title, I think you can, what's the word I'm looking for? Oh my god, my brain cell is not working today. You can gather. That wasn't the word I was looking for, but that's like the closest thing I can think of. You can ascertain. There we go. So we made a little mess with rimming our glasses. And I was just going to use a paper towel to wipe it up, but Melissa can't help but show off her $9,000 vacuum.
It's not $9,000.
It's close. How much is it?
It's like $2-something.
$2,000?
No, 200 something.
Oh, that's not that bad.
Yeah, no.
I thought it was like something really egregious.
I mean, I could be wrong. It could be a little more than that, but I know it's like a good vacuum. It's a good vacuum.
So good, you can use it for the countertop. Who would have imagined? It's fall, y'all.
And the perfect weather for alcohol poisoning.
I mean, it's always the perfect weather, but it's the perfect weather for alcohol poisoning via apple cider.
A fall cocktail.
Yes. So welcome back to Hot Girl Kitchen.
I'm Melissa.
And I'm Matt, and as you may have put 2 and 2 together, we're making you a fall cocktail involving apple cider. Sometimes I just let the spoilers slip out of my mouth.
So Matthew, what is in our fall cocktail?
So we're making an apple cider mimosa with a little twist. Based on the title of an apple cider mimosa, you can ascertain that there will be apple cider in this cocktail. So that's going to be the main ingredient. And also, as a mimosa, there of course will be some champagne. Now, to make it a little more exciting, because I was like, I can't just pour 2 things in a glass for a YouTube channel. Like, that's kind of pathetic. I decided to spice it up a notch, and we're going to do a little bit of pomegranate to give it a little extra flavor. And we're going to add some bourbon to really warm it up a bit for fall. Because to me, nothing goes better with apple cider than like a nice brown liquor, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Really gives you the warm feeling, warm and fuzzies.
Warm and fuzzies.
Yeah, and it kind of looks like the fall leaves, the color palette here. We have some like dark brown, like a lighter brown yellow, and like a dark red. You know, it's quite on
festive.
theme. Yes, quite festive. And then also we have in 2 little bowls here, we have some lemon juice and some cinnamon that we're going to coat or rim our champagne flutes with. So without further ado, would you like to get started on the rim job, Melissa?
You love that.
Oh, that's a deep rim job.
Yeah, we might as well.
Yep, love lots of cinnamon.
Ooh.
Mmm.
It's a thick boy.
That's what I was going for. Look at
Oh,
that.
wow.
Festive. Okay, so on that note, I'm going to start with our delicious, fresh apple cider straight from the Trader Joe's shelf. But I think it is a fresh, squeezed experience because, I mean, Trader Joe's would never disappoint.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my gosh. That's not a mess for the vacuum.
It does say fresh pressed on there.
Oh, good. Thank God. What would I have done if I told the viewers a lie? Would have been canceled. Okay, so we're going to
What side?
not do nothing with that yet. We're going to fill our champagne flutes about halfway with the apple cider. Because as I said, that is really the main ingredient that you want to experience for fall. And a little bit of the cinnamon fell into the bottom of the glass, but that's okay. It'll just give it a little extra flavor. Next, we're going to add 1 ounce? 1 ounce of pomegranate juice. Now if I can figure out how the hell you're supposed to open this bottle. It's very different. I'm not really much of a bourbon drinker. No wonder it's... Ah! Oh my god.
Where'd that go?
No wonder it's considered a manly drink, because you have to be so strong and muscular to open the bottle even. Oh, it's a cork.
Oh yeah, honey.
Fancy. So now we're going to do 1 ounce of that in our glass. Doesn't that just smell like a warm...
Poisoning?
Like, yeah, but like a nice warm feeling, like warm and fuzzies, you know? And now we're going to pop our champagne, which this I'm capable of, because I mean, champagne poppy, you know we are over here. Maybe. Oh, it's not quite. There we go. Now let me... There we go.
Woo!
Thank you very much. And we're going to fill the rest of our glass with champagne. Oops. And we're going to overflow it a little. That actually looks quite festive. Don't you think? And on that note, we're going to pause for the cleanup crew to come in.
Well, looks like we are ready for our
tasting experience. Let's see. Cheers. Happy autumn.
fall.
Happy Christian girl autumn. Girl, go get your coat. I'm ready for the pumpkin patch. Don't you just feel like invigorated? Like I should go put a turtleneck on and maybe go rake some leaves. Oh, never mind. It's not something I would do.
Rake some leaves.
Yeah, it's something people do.
Can't relate.
Yeah, not something I do. That's something my landscapers do. Cheers to you. Cheers to the people behind the scenes that make shit for us. Without you, we'd be nowhere. It takes a village.
And I'll tell you what, your fave never in her wildest dreams could produce what we've done here today.
Not even a little bit. Like,
the lack of creativity on your fave's end is...
Right. Like, I have made apple cider mimosas before with just apple cider and champagne. But like I said, what was I going to do for a video? Like, it would have been 30 seconds. And I know all of our fans at home really want us to, like, extend it out because they want
they can't get
to see us as much as, as long as possible. So the pomegranate really, like, it's just the perfect amount. It doesn't overpower the apple cider.
And
the
if you don't like bourbon, you don't
even need to use it.
Well, also you can't really taste it. Like it's not a bourbon forward drink.
Right. So. I would say it more so enhances the flavor of the apple cider than stands on its own, if that makes sense. I would love to explain it in further detail, but I think what needs to happen if they're interested to know what it tastes like, they just need to make it at home for themselves. Okay? And after you do that and you taste how delicious it is and you are dying for more recipes from us, you're definitely going to want to subscribe. Period.
Period.
Real hot girl shit.